Hey, what's going on, everybody? I'm Chris. I'm here with Kathy. We go by Ginger Marvin on Instagram and YouTube, and we have another What Sold video for you today. It's Thursday, and we're going to follow Kathy around to see what sold for us today.
Hey, friends. All right, jumping in box BC here.
Oh, he thought you were going to go in for the pet as rub the belly rub.
Oh, pet his belly. Oh, it's a good boy. All right. Sold some Allbirds. These I have $7 into. I had them listed on Facebook Marketplace for $30. Someone asked if I would do $25. I think, plus they were getting that free shipping. So I was happy to accept that because like it was still a good profit. So 7 into 25, not bad. And those are going, they're under £1, so they're just gonna go out in a poly mailer.
You tricked me.
I tricked myself. So that's that. All right, and then we're headed to the shoe shelf. So these PW Minor shoes that I wasn't sure about because I've never sold them before, but I was like, I'll take a chance. They sold really fast. I think they've only been listed a day or two. I paid $10.99 for these at Goodwill. They're basically perfect condition, and they were like an extra wide size. And men's comfort shoes like this tend to do well for me, so took a chance. Glad I did. They sold for $43.46 plus shipping, so really
Very
fast.
nice, yeah.
Those are gonna ship out in a shoe box. Right. Box V. I sold these Adidas Cloud Foam slip-ons. I've sold these so many times now. If you ever find them, I would pick them up even for like $10 because they sell so fast. Obviously, if you have $10 to put up front. But yeah, they've all sold within a week every time I find these. So I paid $7.99 for these. They sold for $30.41 plus shipping. Those are under £1, so just the poly. Right, box K.
I'm like, there's like 3 things in there. I hope it's in there.
They're just these little toddler Ugg boots. They're like a kind of an olive greenish color. These I got at Nordstrom Rack on a clear the rack sale. So I have $12.74 into them, and they sold for $40 with discount shipping on Posh. So not too bad. Oh, I want to put those in one of those little regional A's, but it looks like we're out at the moment. I mean, I know we
Might have to restock them. Yeah. We definitely have some, just not up here.
Maybe this box. We have a ton of these and we hardly use them, so we'll use them. Yeah, that'll work.
Sounds good to me.
All right, cece. Volcom something or other. Forgot what I sold. T-shirt. So just a basic Volcom t-shirt. I got this retail arbitrage for $3.50, and it sold on Facebook Marketplace for $15 plus shipping. I'll ship that in a poly mailer.
You comfy there?
Seems like it. All right, AX. I was very happy to see this sell on Mercari, even though I'm not making much money at all, but this I bought on the 99-cent sweater day at our local ARC thrift store about like a year ago. I think I've sold everything from that haul at this point, so.
This was the last one?
Yeah, I think so. So, I mean, $1. It's hard to pass anything for $1, but you don't want to just be holding stuff for a year, so.
Yeah.
I probably won't be going to sweater day anymore because I like selling shoes anyways. But yeah, I have, technically it was 99-cent sweaters, but I bought one full price item and averaged my cost of goods. So I have $1.49, excuse me, into this, and it sold for $10 plus shipping on Mercari. So I'm making like a, I think $6 profit or something, but I'll take it. Ship that in a bigger mailer. All right, and then box, oh, this is a bundle, so box A. box cece. Alright, so this bundle sold on Citizen. These are some Kamex snow boots that I got from Once Upon a Child, so 807 into those. And I got the bogs from the Nordstrom Rack Clear the Rack sale for like $15.58 or something like that. So that's what I have into the 2 pairs. They sold for $63.20 or not plus ship, free ship on Citizen, and the shipping cost $9.50. So it was still about, I think, $21, $22 profit, which I'm very happy considering one was a retail arbitrage. So, all right.
How are you gonna pack that?
Because it's Citizen. We cannot use the USPS boxes, so I'll just pull a box from the closet.
Okay, yeah, random brown box.
And then AD. So these Clarks. I mostly picked these up because they were basically new without box. They still had the little cardboard inserts in them. And the stickers on the bottom were like intact. So I did pay up for those, which I don't always even buy Clarks. And then to pay $10.99 for a pair, I was like, I'll try it. But they sold fairly quickly for $30, 35 cents plus ship. So
yeah,
that's at least a $15 profit. I'm happy with that. How was that? Yep, padded flat rate envelope for those. All right, and this is to our viewer, Amanda Pruitt.
and fellow YouTuber.
Yep, fellow YouTuber. Met through Citizen. Met as in on the internet. Never met in person, but yeah. So she, I believe, grabbed these for her mother. She saw them in our recent haul and said she's been stocking our stores for them. So finally got them listed, and I have 901 into these. That was my average cost of goods this day. And I had a watcher, which was her. I did not know, and I sent her an offer of 31 plus shipping. So thank you so much, Amanda. Hopefully your mom loves those.
Yeah, thank you so much for the support. And don't forget to go check out Amanda's channel. She does all kinds of unboxings and thread up mystery boxes and all that kind of cool stuff. So if that's something you're interested in, yeah.
I love watching them. I do not like spending my money and not knowing what I'm spending it on.
I think she does a little bit more educated, like with manifested stuff. So she knows kind of what she's getting for the most part.
Yes, she has been making me want to go look at airport lost luggage.
Yeah.
So,
yeah, go check out her channel.
All right, gonna head to the basket over here. All right, so this Betamar. I don't know what that is. I only bought this because it was at the bins, and it was 100% wool hat. I have $1.39 into it. It's sold on eBay for $13.82 plus shipping. And I believe I'm gonna put that in this little box. Technically the hat's only 3 ounces, but since I want to ship a hat in a box, I just did priority.
Yeah.
Thankfully this person lived in just Texas, so it was not too, I charged them the priority shipping anyways, but luckily it's still, like, it's less than what they got charged. So
Right.
even with the new shipping rates, because they only live in Texas, so not too bad. Alright, so these North Face snow boots. I have $16.50 into these, which sounds like a lot, but I knew I could at least double my money there, which is about what I did. They sold for $42.43 plus shipping. So again, not huge profits, but this all adds up. Can't remember what I did for shipping on these. 2 pounds, because the boots were like 1 pound and 9 ounces, so they might end up having to go in a mailer. With bubble wrap around them or something, but we'll try to find a fairly lightweight box. I don't think they'd fit in a shoebox because they're just a little too long on the bottoms, I think.
Right.
Yeah,
too big.
And if I put them in a box like this, then
it'd be over the 2 pounds.
It'd be over, or
unless we can maybe cut it down. We'll see.
So yeah, that will be something. We'll show you at the end.
Yeah.
All right, those are the ones we already did. All right, we have another viewer sale, although she didn't say it. I just recognized her handle. So, one of these Pendleton blankets sold to our viewer, Cassandra. She's also the one that bought the other Pendleton blanket on auction, and then that awesome jacket.
Oh yeah, she was a Pendleton collector, isn't she?
Yes.
Yeah.
So I have, you saw like 5 of these or so. Got them retail arbitrage. I have about $25 into each. Figured they'd be good to sell this time of year for like Christmas gifts and stuff.
Yeah.
So most of the comps on eBay were between like 60 to 80 bucks depending on pattern and whatnot. There's not a ton listed at this time. I think I listed mine 69 or 70, I don't know. I know we have a sale running, so she paid $69.56. I can't remember if I sent that as an offer or if that was my list price, but anyways, $69.56 plus shipping. So Cassandra, thank you so much.
Yes, thank you so much for the support, Cassandra.
All right, and then that. I can't remember. I was thinking it would fit in a box like this, and I do think it would, but I want to send the hanger with it.
Oh, yeah.
And like the hanger's kind of
maybe
like that,
diagonally
so.
if it's...
We do have all those big old boxes like that we...
Right, oh, that's right,
so
yeah.
I think maybe one of those and we'll just fold it like this, but
yeah.
we'll see. There's plenty of weight. I think I printed a 4-pound label for the blanket, so I have some weight to mess around with.
Yeah. She hit that with a blanket.
Alrighty, Crocs brown. Alright, these I just listed I think yesterday for, I listed them for 30, but we have a sale running, so buyer paid $26.06 plus shipping. I have $7.99 into these.
Just regular old Crocs.
Yeah, even though they're a men's size 12, so they're really large, they're still under a pound, so they're just gonna ship in a poly mailer.
You see, someone's gonna step on your tail, Bubba. I'll give you a tummy rub.
All right, and then I sold another one of these little bugs. This guy, 100 ways to create fantasy figures. So yeah, we got that at that garage sale, so 24 cents into it. It sold for $6.86 plus shipping, and that's shipping out media mail. So I want to put it in a bubble mailer, but obviously not these because it's not priority.
Right.
So I'll have to look through our stock in the...
Yeah, we usually save our like Amazon ones, and
Yeah, I know we have some downstairs if not
Yeah.
up here, so we'll figure that one out. Another viewer sale.
Oh, wow.
So this is Kimberly again. Kimberly, thank you so much. Alrighty, so she snagged this Quicksilver shirt. This is one of my favorites that our kids had. They wore it. I think both my kids have worn this. So yeah, I snagged this off Kitizen a while back for $11. Again, they both wore it, and then Kimberly bought it from me for $7.95 plus shipping on eBay. So
awesome.
thanks again, Kimberly.
Yeah, thank you for all the support, Kimberly. I'm sure your grandson will love it.
I just love like anything kind of camper van or stuff like that. So.
Where are you going?
What's up, man? You bored of us? Oh, you just needed a new spot.
He got up in a rush too. He just like...
So funny. All right, this last sale is a Poshmark one that paid full price, and it's only been about an hour, so I'll show you guys, but I cannot ship it till tomorrow. By the time 3 hours passes, the post office will be closed. But these are just some Allbirds I listed last night. Listed them at 50. Buyer just bought them full price, 50 bucks.
Wow.
Even with, like you can see, I did wash these. They still have some staining on them.
Yeah.
It's pretty faint, but yeah. So these Allbirds do seem to do well, like I mentioned, I think in the haul. So like these ones are like the actual wool all around ones.
Mm-hmm.
I would buy any, but these like these are called the tree skippers. These ones just seem to sell a lot faster and for more money every time I find them.
Because they're not as hot of a shoe, right?
I think so. And they're
a little
just
more breathable.
Yeah, more breathable, lightweight. So
Yeah.
yeah, cool sale.
So we'll pack that one up. Well, we'll wait to pack it up just so we don't waste any material, just in case. But
That's true.
A label is only what, like 5 cents, 4 cents, 3 cents, something
I
like
just
that.
don't want to accidentally
Right.
put it in our pile because sometimes at the end of the day
Yeah.
we get.
So if you know, in a couple hours, if we're up here, we'll pack it up so it's ready to go with tomorrow's stuff. But anyway, we're gonna get this stuff packed up and we'll be right back. All right, guys, we're in the middle of packing, and I looked up out the window, and would you believe it? It is snowing. We have our first snowfall.
later than last year.
Yeah, kind of crazy, but wanted to get it on camera before we didn't. It'll stop in a minute. Yeah, we'll see. But we're gonna get the rest of the stuff packed up. All right, guys, got everything packed up.
Yep.
Stopped snowing and the sun has come out. And Reese is back in his bed.
He's a good boy.
And just like normal, we are running behind. So the post office is closing in like 10 minutes. So we're going to close it here and get the stuff off to the post office. Guys, thank you so much for watching. And I hope to see you guys in the next one. Bye.